Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and a quick little video to update you guys about the two updates that I got on my Honor 8X. Now they have added a lot of new features, so let's talk about that. And I want to show you guys the screenshot of the first update that I got. So this is the update. So guys, the update enriches the AR lens effect, optimizes gaming performance in gaming acceleration. It has added the eye protection mode for Honor readers, and the main is the gesture in the system navigation option. So this was the first one, and then this is the second one. And I really like this one. Now this one adds the 4D Smart Shock feature and also optimizes camera, and they say that the photos will have more of a real colors. So I actually tried it, and let's get straight in it. So starting with a side-by-side comparison, guys, on the right is the one after the update and on the left is the one that I took earlier. So you can see the color difference they were talking about. There is definitely a difference, and they are actually a bit natural, but it's still not natural because I have compared it with some of the phones. I'll show you. I compared it with Redmi Note 5 Pro and also with Honor 9N. Let's look at the next image. Now this one, you can see that again a little bit of color difference. Now this is again taken with Honor 8X. Both the pics are taken from Honor 8X. And let's move on to Honor 8X versus Redmi Note 5 Pro, and you can see that on the left is the Honor 8X updated pic. So, and on the right is Redmi Note 5 Pro, and you can see that Redmi Note 5 Pro is coming up with the real colors. I'm talking about the colors now. It is clear and has more detailing on the 8X, but if you talk about the colors, it is actually natural on Redmi Note 5 Pro. But if you compare it with Honor 9N, you will be able to see that Honor 8X has improved in the color department. And let's move on to number second, that is system navigation. Now if you go to system navigation, the first option you will see is the gesture. Let me show you. And if you select this one, all the three navigation key just disappears, and you can actually press on the setting to see how it works. They will give a little demo on how you can use it. So if you swipe from the bottom and hold it, you will be able to see all the recent apps. And if you simply swipe from the bottom, you will go to home screen like this. Now if you want to go back, you can swipe from the left or from the right like this. Again, you can swipe from the left and right wherever you want like this, and you simply go back, as you guys can see. Simple as that. And the next one is the single key navigation. Now if you select this, you will be able to see this one key over here. Now if you touch it once, you go back. Again, if you touch it once, you go back. Now if you press and hold this, you go straight to the home screen. Swiping left, you can see that tab. Again, swiping right, you also see the recent apps. So it's pretty simple. Let's move on to number 3, that is 4D Smart Shock feature. Now if you go to Game Suite and then go to settings, you will be able to see the feature. Now you need to enable this, and right now I have no app that support this feature. Now if you play PUBG, you'll be able to see the PUBG game over here, but I don't have it right now on my phone. And if you enable this feature, you will have a little bit more better experience playing the game. If you play PUBG, if anyone hits you, it kind of vibrates and all. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the update. There are minor updates, as I said, guys, but these are the few big updates that I thought I should share with you guys. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, and I'm gonna be making more videos like this. So yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, and as always, peace out.